Okay, nobody died at the log river crossing. Let's see what's in that cave up ahead. You know, in Florida, they have a similar thing to what I just did back there. It's called, when the Cubans come across illegally, it's called wet foot, dry foot. Not like back there where I just put my foot in the river. But if they get on shore, they can stay. If they don't reach shore, they're taken back.
Are you joking?
No, it's true.
Really?
Yeah. If they can reach the beach and get on shore, they can stay. But if they catch them in the water, they go back to whatever country.
Well, usually the machine gun fire sort of gets them before they
Yeah. Oh yeah, sometimes they'll a couple years ago they'll try to catch them once they get on shore too. Sometimes they came into a Fort Lauderdale neighborhood and the police shut down with a mile radius of the hole. You couldn't even get close to it. They just did a whole like SWAT enforcement and rooted them all out in like a residential area right on the water.
So how many landed?
Probably like 18 or 19. They overload these boats and just go like hell and hope they make it. Yeah. I think the game plan is usually they catch them, throw them back in the water, and say, "Oh, you're not here yet. Take them away."
Did you ever see the movie Elysium?
No. Oh wow. Is this the right area? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I missed the cave. Yeah, thank God there's no bear in Iceland, because this is where they'd get me if there was. That was graceful. you going this way? Yeah, I chose the alternate entrance for you there, just to see if you were up for it. Yeah, I'm pretty much gassed now.
Shot of you out there. Actually, there's a gap in between you might not like.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it safe. So far I'm still alive, but that's a good thing. You can just imagine that's me out there.
You want me to take a picture of the two of you?
No.
You can think about it.